The first step is to create the bald guideline with your trimmer. Now the key is not to press down too hard when you're putting in this initial line, because that will make it a lot harder to remove once you're ready to blend it out. Really quickly, if you're in need of any barber supplies, be sure to check out the Barber Style Directory Amazon store. If you click the link in the description, I've created a list of all of the barber supplies that I use in my videos and other barber supplies that you may need. You'll find everything from combs, brushes, disinfectant products, and if you purchase something, it helps the channel. So thank you guys in advance. So this is the line that we're going to be removing. So the next step is to take the electric shaver and leave a small space in between that bald guideline and the shaver. It may not look like it, but there's a small gap. This will also make it easier to remove. The next step is to take your clipper with the lever fully closed and just attack that line. And my clippers are zero gapped. So that's the thing, if you're going to remove a line in a bald fade, you're going to need your clippers to be zero gapped. So as you can see, the line is basically out. And then, just like any other fade, we're just going to gradually open the lever. I've already blended the top of the fade, but here I'm just going to connect everything into the middle. So I just wanted to show you guys how this works. This was a highly requested video, so I thought it would be a good idea to do it in a way that's quick and easy to understand. So the main key to removing that line is to use the corner of your blade. You don't need to use the entire trimmer blade, just use the corners. Using the entire blade may cause you to raise the fade too high. And then you can go back and do any other adjustments that you need to get the blend right. So in a nutshell, that's how you remove the harsh line in a bald fade. If this video was helpful, comment below. Also comment what other videos you guys want to see. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button.